Hello, if you are looking for a tempered glass screen protector for your Galaxy Watch 7, but is easy to install, then you definitely want to hear about the Spigen glass protector. I will show you how to put it on your watch and tell you everything you need to know. So I recently got a new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 in 44mm, and I know how important it is to protect your watch screen from accidental break-in or scratches. So the pack includes two screen protectors, and when you open a package, it has the instruction which is straightforward, well written, and illustrated very well. The pack also includes a web link to watch the installation video process. So first of all, you need to remove watch straps and put watch on a pad. Clean your screen with a wet cleaner. With this application tray, it's so much easy process to put a glass protection on a round screen rather than trying to center it. Then clean with a microfiber napkin. When you install the glass, you can't even tell that it's on a watch, and I will show you later that it does not interfere with any of the functions or touch controls. And use a dust sticky pad to make sure there's no any particles left on your watch screen. Peel off the inside film and put it on your watch. Press for 10 seconds in the middle, and then remove the sticker. Take this plastic cover off and remove protection film from your watch screen. Use the squeegee to remove any leftover bubbles. And here we go, everything installed and ready to wear. Overall, the Spigen tempered glass screen protector for your Galaxy Watch 7 are durable and easy to apply. It's a perfect fit to protect your watch screen from scratches or cracks. I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.